Ballroom Hold, Mastering the Dance of Elegance. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the world of dance, ballroom hold. This term is not just about dancing but also rich in cultural and historical significance. Let's dive in and understand what it means and its relevance in English. The phrase, ballroom hold, refers to a specific way dancers position themselves while performing ballroom dances. It's a fundamental aspect in styles like the waltz, tango, and foxtrot. In a ballroom hold, typically, one dancer's right hand is placed on the other's left shoulder blade, while the other dancer's left hand rests on the partner's right upper arm. Their other hands are joined and held at eye level. This posture is not just a dance position, it symbolizes elegance, partnership, and coordination. Ballroom dancing originated in Western societies and has a rich history. It was a symbol of social status and refinement in past centuries. Understanding the term, ballroom hold, also gives us insight into social customs and etiquette of earlier times, reflecting how people interacted and entertained themselves. It's a glimpse into a world of sophistication and formal social gatherings. In contemporary times, the ballroom hold is still prevalent in dance competitions, social gatherings, and even in popular media like movies and TV shows. It represents a connection between the past and present, showing how certain traditions continue to be cherished and passed down through generations. Learning about the ballroom hold isn't just for dancers. It's useful for English learners to understand these cultural nuances, which can come up in literature, films, and conversations. Knowing these terms enriches your understanding of English in a broader cultural context. I hope this exploration of ballroom hold has been enlightening and enjoyable. Understanding such phrases is not just about language, but also about the cultural tapestry that makes English so interesting. Keep learning and exploring, and I'll see you in our next video.